Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your sales communications with Slack easy tutorial step by step clearly. To reset your sales communications with Slack, begin by opening the Slack application on your device. Once you're logged in, navigate to the workspace where you want to reset the communications. Click on the channel or direct message thread related to your sales team. Review the current communications to identify issues or areas that need improvement. Next, communicate with your sales team about the need for a reset. Schedule a team meeting to discuss new strategies and objectives. During the meeting, encourage open feedback about current communication practices. Once you've gathered input, outline the key changes that need to be implemented. After the meeting, create a new channel specifically for sales communications, if necessary. Invite all relevant team members to this new channel. Set clear guidelines for communication in the new channel, including response times and message types. Share templates for common sales communications within the channel to maintain consistency. Encourage team members to utilize Slack features such as threads to keep discussions organized. Regularly check in with your team to ensure the new communication methods are effective. Be open to making further adjustments based on team feedback and evolving needs. Monitor the channel activity to ensure that it meets your sales objectives. Finally, celebrate small wins and improvements to encourage continued engagement and productivity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.